Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my final vlog on the Buns Out Countdown Challenge. It has been a little bit over 2 months since I started. I started at 182 pounds, and I will make sure to insert the video for reference. And then today I am ending this challenge at 168 pounds. So that's a total weight loss of 14 pounds. I am so proud of myself. It hasn't been easy, but nothing that's worth it is easy. You know what I mean? So let's just get into it. Let's talk about it. Alright, so it's been a journey, not an easy one, but we're here, we've made it. I started this as a way to just boost my overall weight loss before the summer. So that's an additional 14 pounds added to my overall weight loss. I'm almost at a total weight loss of 60 pounds, and I couldn't be more proud of myself. One thing I can say that I took away from this is that you cannot out-train a bad diet. Whatever it is, like, you have to restrict some things, you have to cut out some things, you really have to change your lifestyle in order to be successful. And just don't give up at the slightest inconvenience, you know, or you just cannot give up. That's key. You cannot give up. You have to stay consistent. You have to keep showing up. You have to have discipline. You have to be disciplined up until you reach your goal and then beyond. You know what I mean? So when I started my weight loss journey, I have been on this journey for a long time, but this time around I have been successful mentally, physically, emotionally. In all ways, I feel different about this time around. I did start in October, and to this time, up until now, I have lost again almost 60 pounds. It can seem like it's been a long time, and I also thought that this Buns Out challenge was going to be the key to getting me to where I want to be, to my goal weight. But I'm not there yet, but I'm also not where I used to be. This whole approach that I have been taking, I haven't been strict, except up until the Buns Out Countdown Challenge. I wasn't really strict on my diet. Like I said, I was eating the foods that I will be inserting on this video. This is how I was eating. I wasn't restricting myself. However, I was intentional. I wasn't eating big portions, or if I knew that I'm eating a certain kind of food, then I would be more mindful throughout the week. You know what I mean? So that's what I was doing, and my weight was still coming. But as far as fitness, I was showing up. I was hitting my 10K daily, at least 5 days a week, and I was also I started incorporating weight training. Now, if I was really strict with my diet, I would probably have reached my weight already, but I feel like the restricting and things like that makes you binge after. So I'm so happy that that's not the approach that I took, and slow and steady has shown that it has been the way for me. So like I said, I am not yet where I want to be, but I'm far from where I used to be. And that's something to be proud of. I will keep going. I will keep showing up. Number 2 thing that I took away from this is to be your biggest fan, your biggest supporter throughout this whole thing. Because if you're not, you will give up. It's not easy, but it's doable. It's also not hard. It's about planning and being intentional and keeping your own promises, you know, discipline. You know what I mean? So you will have to be your biggest supporter, because, for example, the scale goes up and down. Today I'm at 168 pounds. 2 days ago, I was 170 pounds. And throughout this Buns Out challenge, that 2 months, there was a week where I was up to 189 pounds. And it's like you feel defeated. You have just like negative thoughts go through your head, and it's up to you to decide to get out of that funk, because nobody's really coming to save you. So speak positive words to yourself. Keep showing up. Take pictures. Avoid the scale. Drink lots of water. some apple cider vinegar has also been helping with curbing my appetite and things. But yes, you have to be your biggest supporter, and that's another thing that's helped me throughout this journey. Like I said in one of my previous videos, you have to see it first in here before you can see it physically. You have to commit to this if this is what you want, and then focus and tunnel vision it all the way through. Like, I'm still on this journey. I said previously as well in one of my videos, I'm standing on business. Like, I'm over making excuses, I'm over giving up on myself, I'm over not keeping my own promises, you know? So I have been showing up, and I will continue to show up. I'll continue to be my biggest hype man. I'm so proud of myself for how far I've come, and I cannot wait to see how far I'll go. But even making these videos, I hope I am inspiring someone to also believe in yourself and keep going. And yeah, another thing, our body types are different. Bodies are different, so don't expect to lose your weight at my same rate. And I don't expect to lose my weight. Like, don't compare yourself to anyone. Just be on your own journey, and also celebrate the little wins. If you lost 1 pound, if you have been consistent for a whole week, if you have been making the right choices as far as your diet, things like that are things to celebrate. Now, obviously, don't celebrate with food and things that will take you 4 steps back or whatever. Celebrate the little wins, because you do need that constant reminder that you are doing good, you're doing a great job. Alright guys, I think that is all for today. Again, I'll keep showing up for myself. My journey is not done, but this has been a great boost to get me into this summer. I was just sitting here thinking, last year, the whole slow and steady is really good, because I have formed habits now that will last me a lifetime. Habits like I no longer eat past 8, but because you eat so late, your food does not get digested, and then it gets stored in areas you don't want it to be stored in and all of that. So that's one habit that I have picked up. I'm not eating past 8, but life happens, and sometimes you have no control over that, and you gotta eat. So you just eat, but that's one day out of the week, so it shouldn't affect you that much, So things like that, I haven't been sticking to the plan to the T. But this goes hand in hand with being your biggest hype man. You're human, things happen. You can cheat, you can eat ice cream, maybe some days you don't go to the gym. Things like that happen, but the key thing is to not give up. Take your time off, but don't extend it to where you forget all your progress and you lose yourself and you let go. Take your break, but keep going. You have to keep showing up. You literally have to keep showing up. And before you know, like, when you get into the groove of things and you're showing up each day, time flies by so fast, and then all of a sudden it's been 3 months, and I promise you the weight comes off. Customize your own plan to fit your own life. Don't start out too hard, because you will get overwhelmed and you will give up, or you end up doing the fad diets and things. Start now. The sooner you start, the better. I'm so happy that I started, because I'm excited for this summer, because even I feel good. I know that I have been putting in work to look good, to be the best version of me, so I'm excited for it. But if I hadn't started, if I hadn't been consistent, if I hadn't been showing up, I would be here still thinking, I wish I started a long time ago. I saw this quote where it says 6 months will go by anyway, so you decide what you want to do with them. Do you want them to just go by while you still give up on yourself? Or do you want them to go by while you are daily putting in effort to be the best version of you? So that is all, guys. That's really it. I will put my pictures up to show you guys how everything has been going. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. My subscribers are going up every day and I'm so grateful. Please, if you're taking anything from this video, if you think it will help anyone, share it with them. Like my video, comment, subscribe, engage with it however you can, because it helps other people reach my channel. But I appreciate you all who have been subscribing. I would love to hear if you're also on your journey, and I'm also here to help however that I can. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye.